Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can fix Twitter you have exceeded the number of allowed attempt to verify your phone number problem. So basically what this problem is like if you try to log into Twitter using your phone number, like you don't receive your verification code after the third try, it's going to say you have exceeded the number of allowed attempt, which is 3, and after that you need to wait for an hour. So let's say you waited for an hour and even after an hour you tried and you still don't receive it, then what can you do? Well, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys what you should do. And before I show you the steps, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and let's start the video without any further ado. So first thing first, go to your Chrome. It could be any search browser, but I prefer Chrome. And after you go on Chrome, what you want to type is, you need to go to this website called help.twitter.com. It's Twitter's help website, and once you come over here you need to search for, that's what you have to search for, if the log does not clear after an hour. Search for it. Once you search for this, you're going to come over here. Now click on help with temporary account lockout. Click on it and it's going to take you over here. Now it's going to show you the ways on how you guys can solve this problem. The first one shows like you need to disable third parties application like TweetDeck, HotSuite, widget, etc. That means you need to log out from there and only focus on logging in on Twitter's main Twitter. Okay, and the other thing is wait for an hour, which you did probably, and there's other steps as well which you can read and follow. But like after doing all this step, if it still doesn't solve it, then what you can do is click on where it says login troubleshooting tips, which is like the fourth one in if the log does not clear after an hour. Click on login troubleshooting tips, and once you're over here you want to scroll down. Once you come over here you need to scroll down until you see contact support over here, which is at the fourth number. And I have lost access to the email address I used when I signed up, which is the fourth number. Click on contact support and it's going to take you to Twitter's another page over here. Now over here, please tell us more. Like click on I need to regain my access with Twitter. I need to regain over here, and over here click on this and click on the second one where it says I have a problem with receiving a 2-factor verification code. Click on it. Once you click on it, you want to scroll down, and over here you need to enter a Twitter handle. What your Twitter handle is. Let me enter my Twitter handle over here. After handling the Twitter handle over here, enter the email to which you have access to, okay, because it's going to send an email to you and it's going to show you how you guys can fix this problem. So enter an email which you have access to. Once you do that, you need to enter your problem over here, and your problem is I tried to log into my Twitter account. I didn't receive any phone code. I tried all the methods told by you guys over here and I still haven't received my verification code. So can you guys help me get access to my account? And after you type that, you can click on submit, and the problem will be submitted to Twitter, and Twitter staff will contact you in about like 1 or 2 days. It's not gonna be really quick. It might take some time, so let them take their time, and they're gonna email you, and from that email they're gonna tell you how you guys can regain it. So that's basically how you guys can solve this problem. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.